Every day I wake up early in the morning at 7 a.m. When I wake up, I look at the time. If it's too early, I try to sleep a little longer. But if it is 7 a.m. and it's time to get up, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face to feel fresh. After that, I always go to the kitchen to make my breakfast. I usually eat some oats with yogurt and fruit. My favorite fruits to have for breakfast are strawberries, blackberries, and bananas. I drink a cup of tea with my breakfast to feel warm and to wake me up. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen and the table a little before getting ready. Then it is time to get dressed. I work from home, so I dress in comfortable clothes. Then I go to the bathroom again and brush my hair and brush my teeth. When I am dressed and ready, I go to my second bedroom, sit at my desk and start working. I work for 4 hours in the morning and sometimes I take a small break to stretch my legs or make a cup of tea. At lunchtime, which is at 12 or 1 p.m, I prepare lunch. I usually eat something that is easy to make, like a sandwich or soup. After having my lunch, I wash the dishes and wash my hands. Then I go back to my desk to continue working. In the afternoon, I finish work at 4:30. I like to relax after work by listening to music or watching videos on YouTube. If the weather is nice, I might go outside for a little walk to spend time outside. In the evening, I am normally very tired, but I have to make dinner and do some chores around the house, like tidying up. When I'm finished, I begin to get ready for bed. I take a shower at night before I go to bed. Afterwards, I put on my pajamas and get into bed. Now let's answer some questions about this video. What time does the speaker usually wake up? What does the speaker usually have for lunch? What does the speaker do if the weather is nice? You can write the answers to these questions in the comment section and I can correct them. If you have enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel because it makes a really big difference. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.